Hi there, I am Mark Anthony Madrigal, and today we are going to explore some of the most bitter arguments regarding the process of secularization, and that is always changing and evolving. Considering this debate and speculation, this article delves into the multifariousness of the perspectives as well as the unfolding changes in the research agenda regarding secularization and globalization. This perpetual dialogue has attracted the attention of social scientists and academics globally. The focus is an interesting interruption of the research agendas for secularization and globalization. Scholars for decades have been struggling to analyze the relationship between these two dominant forces and periodically renew their understanding of the mechanisms that matter. Secularization has been a subject of heated debate between social scientists over what it includes or excludes, its dimensions, and the conditions applied. At first, secularization had its followers in general and seemed promising. However, as the world became more modern, its successors overtook it through the process of reevaluation. The move towards this new orientation was sparked off by heated disagreements, thus revamping the whole notion. Secularization debate has changed a lot. Secularization has been seen as overly one-dimensional, which implies diminishing in nature of religion. In contrast, modern thinking has been shifted towards comprehensive changes in human nature. Our faith is shaped by more than one religious belief, frameworks of belief and valued experience. As our world continues to grow increasingly interconnected, we could expect that the debate will continue to develop. As a result, we expect more sophisticated discussions on how various societies cope with secularization and which impact is exerted on culture, value, and identity. However, it is expected that the future will give more insight into these complicated relationships. That brings us up to a close on our special report on the secularization debate, which has gone deeper than mere assertions, unraveling the intricacies and metamorphoses surrounding the study's agenda, elucidating how globalization redefined our comprehension. We thank you for watching. Did I do good?